Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. How are you my dear subscribers and my all lovely viewers? I hope you are fine. If you are a woman over 40 with beautiful curly hair but a busy life, you might be craving a haircut that's both stylish and effortless. Well, fret no more because today we are diving into the world of the curly hair magic, the low maintenance lobe for busy women over 40. Today's video is all about the magic of the curly lobe, the low maintenance haircut that making the summer by storm. The curly lobe or long bob is the perfect blend of effortless style and timeless elegance. It flatters most face shapes and the length is ideal for showing off your natural curls without the extra weight. But the real magic lies in its versatility. This cut can be air dried for a carefree, beachy vibe or dressed up with a quick diffuser season for bouncy, defined curls. And the best part, minimal morning maintenance means more time for you to conquer your day, whether you are juggling work, family, or just enjoying life. If you are working woman, this video is especially for you, and if you have busy woman, this video is especially for you. If you have curly hair, if you have texture hair, this video is especially for you. So my dear friends, watch my full video till the end. In my video I am showing you 50 plus long texture bob, curly bob, long bob haircut style and cutting ideas for you guys. Watch my full video, and if you like my video please press the like button and also subscribe my YouTube channel, share my video with your friend and your family. Curly lobe incredibly versatile, flattering on most face shapes and can be easily adapted to your specific curl pattern, whether you have loose waves, tight coils or anything in between. A curly lobe can be your new best friend, but the magic truly lies in low maintenance nature. Gone are the days of spending hours wrestling with your curls. With the right cut and a few simple styling techniques, you can achieve a salon-worthy look that lasts all day without breaking a sweat. I hope you like my video. Please do comments and thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you.